welcome to another Blooket video, and today I'm going to open up every pack exactly 5 times on this random account I just made up maybe like 4 days ago, and I claim 500 every single day, so I have 2,025. It's a random account called Justin Beaver lol. Okay, I don't know why I chose that name, but let's just open up 5 of each. So okay, 1 ice bug, ice bat, ice elemental, 4 dink, 5 nice elemental. Okay, dino. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, not that bad. And 5. Okay, aquatic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now about pack. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, now on to the 15 token ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Not that bad. Medieval. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Not too good. Come on, Wonderland. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. Well, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Hit that subscribe button for more content, and I did like a line giveaway video. Nobody commented or entered the contest, so you might want to check that out and try to enter the contest. I might win a legendary lion. And yeah, so subscribe, and see you guys next time.